Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting your host device ready and signing into the Google Expeditions app with a school account. This lets you lead tours and control student view. Once done, connect student devices to the same Wi-Fi or use offline mode for field trips without internet, and pair devices via the host's code or beacon. Make sure to pick a ready expedition. Curated routes save prep time, and preview scenes so you know the flow before you invite students. You now lead the middle of the experience. Move students through scenes using the host controls and teleport to key points of interest to focus attention. While you navigate, explain context, why the site matters, and ask guiding questions to prompt observation. This increases engagement and retention. Once students can explore, switch between synchronized viewing for shared narration and individual exploration for inquiry tasks, making sure to set time limits and clear objectives for each stop. You finish by running a structured debrief. Ask students to summarize observations and connect learning to standards, then collect artifacts like screenshots or exported notes for assessment. Once done, assign follow-up research or a short reflection to reinforce learning and close the loop. If devices lose sync or Wi-Fi drops, first switch to offline mode or have students rejoin with the session code. This quick fallback gets most trips back on track without losing student momentum.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.